continuing with this New Age correction of it's all good. See, this comes from the idea that everything is duality. And thinking right and wrong, oh, good and evil, those are dualistic notions. Just like we think that spirituality is all about total transcendence of matter. The New Agers believe, oh, we're going to ascend out of this realm. Yeah. We're going to get 7-foot-tall light bodies. I've heard this one. We're going to ascend into angelic form of beings that, are these light bodies, and we're going to go to Andromeda. Yep. That's what's going to happen when we don't even understand the difference between right and wrong. Yep. Good luck with that. Let me know how that works out for ya. Okay? I mean, it's a child. This mentality is a child who wants to hear what they want to hear. Forget about what is or what's true. That's meaningless. I have my beliefs, and they get crazier and crazier and crazier, and what's real, forget it. I'm putting on these glasses, and I can't see the real world. These are my Andromeda glasses. I see all the spacecrafts in the sky coming down to rescue us from our immorality when I put these glasses on. Don't you know? Yep. See, this whole notion comes out of the idea of the primacy of either spirit or matter. And again, here's another one of these slides that is going to upset people. Everybody. Because most people are in this schism. That either one or the other is primal. One or the other is superior to the other. You have scientific materialists that, matter is primal. Matter is superior. It's the root of everything. And we're going to delve into the world of matter by building bigger and bigger and bigger colliders to look for smaller and smaller and smaller particles. And we'll get down to the essence of what this all is. Because it's not infinity in both directions, no. We'll find the basic building block of everything. And it'll reveal all the secrets of nature to us because, hey, everything is this big machine. There's no free will. Oh, it's all big machine. It's a dead thing. And matter is going to unlock all the answers. Then you have the New Agers and the religionists. Oh, spirit is primary to everything. It doesn't matter what happens in the physical world, to a point where, you just need to believe something. Forget about what's going on in the physical. This world is transitory, and it doesn't even matter what happens here. Doesn't matter. Takes matter out of the picture. The actual happenings. What on earth is happening is irrelevant. So that's all in the physical domain, and that's meaningless. So spiritualists and those who buy into religionism, and the New Agers, all think spirit is primary to matter, and it's superior to matter. Matter is inferior to spirit. Just like scientific materialists believe that the matter is primary and it's superior to spirit, or there is no spirit. And both of these views are totally imbalanced. One comes from the primacy of matter, comes from a totally left brain imbalanced worldview. The primacy of spirit comes from a totally imbalanced right brain worldview. What we need to understand on these two simple slides, if people could really get this, what's depicted on these two very simple slides, what I call the non-duality of spirit and matter, is that they are one and the same. The spiritual realm is the physical realm. The physical realm is the spiritual realm. This is where it all occurs. This is where all the lessons are learned. You're not going anywhere else. You got to be here now and get the lesson. Nobody's coming to rescue us from ourselves in our own ignorance. You're here for a reason. You're here to learn the lesson that will help us to transcend this condition and actually be free. So we can go on to do incredible things and truly evolve. Then maybe we'll evolve into some other form at some future point, way, way, way in the future. But we're not there yet. And I'm not worried about that now. Because I'm here now trying to do active work on the ground in the real world. Not thinking about when is Zoroaster going to come and rescue me? When are the, Andromedans or the Pleiadians coming down in their big craft to transfer our minds into the big light bodies that they're promising us and take us off to a place where there's no violence and slavery. Well, that ain't how it's going to happen. This is all childish nonsense because people don't want to understand that hard work has to be done here.